For families living in Redington Beach, Florida, the beauty of coastal life comes with its share of challenges, especially when it comes to maintaining a home exposed to salt air, humidity, and constant sunshine. Traditional windows often require frequent cleaning, repainting, and repairs just to keep up with the harsh coastal environment. That's why many Redington Beach homeowners are making the switch to low-maintenance windows, a smart, long-term investment that combines convenience, durability, and energy efficiency. Whether you're upgrading your beach cottage or modern coastal retreat, these windows offer year-round reliability with minimal upkeep. Here's why low-maintenance windows are the ideal choice for coastal living in Redington Beach. Built for Florida's coastal climate in Redington Beach, the combination of salt, sand, and moisture can wear down traditional window materials quickly. Wood frames, for example, can swell, rot, or peel over time, while aluminum can corrode if not properly treated. Low-maintenance windows are engineered specifically to withstand these challenges. Popular materials include vinyl, resistant to salt corrosion, humidity, and fading. Vinyl windows never need painting or staining, and they retain their color even after years of sun exposure. Fiberglass. Stronger than vinyl and nearly immune to warping or cracking, fiberglass windows handle temperature fluctuations exceptionally well. Composite frames. Made from a blend of materials for maximum durability and resistance to coastal wear and tear. These modern materials help protect your home from Florida's unpredictable weather while maintaining a fresh, clean appearance all year long. Easy cleaning and upkeep for families with busy schedules. Constant maintenance is the last thing anyone wants to worry about. Low-maintenance windows are designed with easy care features that save time and effort. Many options come with tilt and sashes or removable panels, allowing you to clean both sides of the glass safely from inside your home. No ladders required. Advanced self-cleaning glass coatings are also available, using sunlight and rain to naturally break down dirt and grime, leaving your windows clearer for longer. With these modern innovations, keeping your Redington Beach windows sparkling and streak-free takes a fraction of the time it used to. Long-lasting beauty and performance. One of the biggest advantages of low-maintenance windows is their ability to retain their appearance and functionality for decades. Unlike traditional frames that peel or chip, these windows resist fading and discoloration from Florida's intense UV rays. The frames are designed to resist warping from humidity, cracking due to heat exposure, salt air corrosion from coastal breezes. This long-lasting performance means fewer repairs, replacements, and maintenance costs over time. Homeowners can enjoy the peace of mind that their windows will continue looking great and performing efficiently, year after year. Energy efficiency that saves you money. Low-maintenance windows don't just save time, they also help save energy. Modern designs include features such as double pane or triple pane glass for improved insulation, low-E coatings to reflect heat and reduce cooling costs, tight seals and weather stripping to keep humid air out and cool air in for Redington Beach families. These energy-saving features mean more comfortable indoor temperatures and lower utility bills throughout Florida's long summer months. Plus, by reducing your energy consumption, you're making your home more eco-friendly, a great bonus for homeowners who care about sustainability. Professional installation for lasting protection. Even the most durable window won't perform as expected without expert installation. Professional installers ensure that your windows are properly sealed, aligned, and insulated to withstand coastal weather conditions. They'll also ensure compliance with Florida's building codes and hurricane protection standards, giving your home added safety during tropical storm season. A professional installation not only guarantees better performance but also extends the lifespan of your windows, a key advantage for long-term homeowners. Final thoughts for Redington Beach homeowners. Low-maintenance windows offer the perfect balance of durability, convenience, and style. They stand strong against salt air, moisture, and sun exposure, while requiring minimal care. With energy-efficient features and modern materials, these windows help keep your home comfortable and your maintenance list short. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or upgrading for better performance, choosing low-maintenance options means you can enjoy your coastal lifestyle without worrying about upkeep. Invest once, and enjoy windows that work as beautifully as they look, season after season, year after year.